Yeah. Ninth problem goes on like this. Hero Cycles Company consigned 1,000 cycles to Ram of Hyderabad. The cost of each cycle was 300. Consigner paid 10,000 for freight and 1,500 for insurance. During transit, 100 cycles were totally damaged. The insurance company admitted a claim at 28,000. Ram took a delivery of 900 cycles and paid 1,530 for octroi. The account sales received from Ram showed the following. Sales 800 cycles at 425 per cycle, expenses 2,000, commission 5% on sales, obviously on sales. Ram settled account by bank draft, prepare consignment account, and Ram's account is set. So as like yesterday, first we are going to go with the calculation part, then we'll get into the actual preparation of accounts. So here, first, how many he has sent? He has sent the goods sent on consignment where 1,000 at the rate of 300 each. So among these, what happened in between, it seems? Among these, in between, in transit, a loss of 100 cycles got. So that means consignee received only how much he received? 900 cycles. So when he received 900 cycles, he should sell the 900, no? But he sold only 800. So that means, therefore, unsold is how much? 100. So this is what here it is, the given information. So first we have got it, then here. So now what I have to do it. So here I'm going to go with the calculation part mainly of these two things, Nana. Of these 200s. One is abnormal loss, which we call here abnormal loss, and one is consignment stock. So these two informations we are going to do it. So one is, we call it as abnormal loss, and second one, consignment stock. So first we are going to start with consignment stock calculation. So here my calculation goes like this. So calculation of abnormal loss of 100 cycles at the rate of CP, cost price only, you are going to take it. So value of stock is 100 at the rate of CP ante how much we are going to get it? 30,000 I'm going to get. To this one, I am going to add whose expenses? Consigner is going to be added in every aspect, Nana. Consigner's expenses anedi will be part in every part. Like his calculation or his expenses will be important for any kind of a calculation. So kabatti, we are least bothered whether it is of a recurring expenses or non-recurring expenses in the case of consigner. So that is the reason whatever expenses are there of 11,000, like 10,000 plus 1,500. So 11,500, no? So this one he spent for total 1,000 cycles and mata. So here I'm going to write for 1,000 cycles. If the expenses are 11,500, I want only for how much? For 100, it is how much? So obviously zeros cancel. So it will be how much? 1150 you're going to have it. So therefore abnormal value is equal to how much? 31,150. Now, whenever we are writing here, I said, no, we'll have a journal entries also. So better we see the journal entries. How? the journal entries goes on like this. Abnormal losses will be according to the normal should be on the debit side only, no? So abnormal loss account debit to every loss or everything will transfer to which account? Consignment account. 31,150. Now, is the insurance claim has paid me the same amount? No, insurance company has paid me only how much amount ma? They paid me only 28,000. That means balance is my loss only, na? So balance is my loss. How much? Account debit is 3,150 to consignment account, which is, sorry, not consignment, abnormal loss. Abnormal loss account, like how we have balanced the loss అనేది ఇక్కడ లెక్క చూపిస్తాం. Now, as here he didn't ask us to prepare the account ma, but still I am trying to show you the account of abnormal loss account, how it will appear by mistake if he is asking in examination, so that you can do it easily without any problem. And abnormal loss account always is going to get tallied. Remember, always it is going to get tallied anamata, so need not worry about it. So here particulars amount, particulars amount. So here I'm going to write as abnormal loss account. So first one we have written abnormal to consignment, no? So here to consignment So how much is the value? Account, it is 31,150. And then here we have written next buy insurance. We got only 28,000. So balance we transfer to buy P and L loss 3,150. So that's how it gets tallied. Right? Next, we are going to do the 100 we have completed. Now next 100 I should do it, no? So that's why the next 100 is what? About a calculation of unsold stock. So that's what here I'm doing, unsold stock. Calculation of unsold stock of how many? Again, 100 at the rate of same CP. So therefore, the value of stock is 100 at the rate of 300. The same price, 30,000 avutundana. And here again we will add whose expenses? Again we will add consignor expenses. All the expenses. So consignor expenses already we have calculated, ma. Now for 1,000 if it is so and so, for 100 how much? So already we have calculated, so I'm not doing it once again. So simply I'm writing like this. But whereas when I am going for consignees expenses, we are very particular. We should take only what expenses? Only the non-recurring expenses. Now in this one, he gave one amount 1530 and one amount 2,000. So which is non-recurring? He said octroi. Octroi is like a cartage or carriage expenditure. Octroi ante it's a carriage or a cartage expenditure. It's like a airways మనం తీసుకొని వచ్చాము. So that's why the expenses we name them as a carriage or a cartage. Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is non-recurring, whereas He expenses 2000, he said, but did he mention as what is the amount we are spending for? He just said expenses. He didn't said what is what. So that's why those we are ignoring. Only we are going to take what? 1530. But these 1530, is it for 1000 cycles or he took a delivery of only 900? Starting రాసాను చూడండి. Kanzani took a delivery of only how much? Yes, he took a delivery of only 900. So what we are going to do for 900, if its expenses are 1530, then I want only for how much? For 100, it's how much? So please cross multiply and tell me what is the amount. Yes, how much is the amount? How much is the amount, Ray? Cross multiplication, 100 into 1530 divided by 900, ante. So you are going to get the amount as 31,320. If you want, you can cross check it. Like this, we have taken it. Okay, understand? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Take a screenshot. We'll move on to the next page. Can I move on?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next, we are going to go for preparation of accounts now. So here, first I'm going to prepare the consignment account. And here he didn't said anything specifically. He only asked in the books of consigner. So that's the reason I'm only preparing the things in the books of consigner only, not in the consignee's book. So this is first our consignment account. So particulars amount, particulars amount. And here I'm going to have consignment account in the books of consigner is Hero Cycles, no? So Hero Cycles. So first, all the calculation we have done, just we have to record it. So first one, I'm going to write goods sent on consignment, which is 1000 at the rate of 300, which is going to be how much? 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs I have written. Yeah. Next is to bank we are going to write, that is consigner's expenses, because in his books we can't write his name. So that's why I'm writing as to bank. Then we'll write to Ram expenses, which are 3,530, and he has to be paid even 5% commission, but that I'm going to go with other things. First, I'm going to go for writing about a sales. First, by Ram, again, he is a person who has received a sales. So sales, how much is the sales? That is 800 at the rate of 425. So ఎంత వస్తుంది? $800 into 425. Nobody is answering. Yes, 3,40,000. Correct. So 3,40,000, I have got it. Now next, 3,40,000. After completing 3,40,000, I'll check the stock amounts. No, so 1,000 goods I have sent, but I'm showing only of 800. So rest, how much balance of stock information I should show? Of 200. And these 200 is of one amount, or it is separate? So it is a separate. So first I'm going to show information about abnormal loss by abnormal loss, which we got around 31,150 for how much? Of 100 at the rate of cost price. Then by consignment stock, which we got is 31,320, we got it. And this is again for how? 100 at the rate of CP. So that's how 800 plus 100, 900, 900 plus 100,000. So yes, the things are done. Now, before we end it, we need to pay the commission to the Ram. No? So to Ram, commission, how much? 5% on sales. So sales is how much? 3,40,000. So it will be how much? 3,40,000 into 5%. Yeah, right. 17,000. Right. So 17,000. Yeah, right. So meanwhile, you just tell me what is the totals. I'll just go for drawing the lines again for consignees account. So this is my goods sent on consignment account. So here particulars amount, So here whose account we are preparing? It's consignee, means Ram account. Now Ram, here we didn't have any advance here. So that's why what I'm going to do it directly. I'm going to take only 3 postings are there. Credit 1 posting and debit 2 postings. So this will be crossed now. So first I'm going to write here of to consignment sales, which is of 3,40,000. How much rate? 3 lakhs. What it is total, Anana? Is it total, right? Total or a profit? What you are talking? No, not it will be total nor it will be profit. Just check it up properly. So here I don't have an advance. So by again consignment expenses 3530. And then commission also we paid. So consignment commission 17,000. So therefore by bank balancing figure, you need to tell me. Calculate, Nana. 3 lakhs here itself it is going to, yeah, correct, my 3. So here my profit is going to be 2 P and L profit is 70,440. Right, right. Please tell me the total. Okay, right. So total is 4,02,470. Okay, 4,02,470, right? 4,02,470. Yeah, done. Now, please tell me, acha balance you are telling about this fellow. Is it you are talking about this fellow's balance sheet? No, not that also. Okay, meanwhile, I'll just go right for this one now. So particulars amount. So please tell me what is the balancing figure. So goods sent on consignment account. So there we have written first on the debit side. So here we are going to write credit by consignment account, which is 3 lakhs. And this will transfer to which account? Trading account as to trading account, which is 3 lakhs. Inka నాకు balancing figure of consignee రాలేదు. You didn't give me that information. I'm preparing, completing with all these things. And the last is consignment stock. You should total of that consignee's account is 3,40,000, Nana, but I want a difference. What is the bank balance? Yeah, right. Now I got it. So this is how much ma? It's a by bank is 3,19,470. Correct. So therefore total is equal to 3,40,000 here and as well as 3,40,000 here. Done. Now the last one is consignment stock we will take. So consignment account. So here it will be particulars amount. So here there we have written first consignment stock on the credit side. So now I'm going to write to consignment account, which is 31,320. Hey, sorry, this is correct. Trading account 3 lakhs we are going to take. And here we are going to write as by balance carried down 31,320. And here we are going to write as to balance brought down 31,320, like this. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now please see, take a screenshots as well as please have a look to the problem number 16th. 500 sewing machines were consigned by Mahesh and a company, Bombay, to Dinu and company of Hyderabad. So Mahesh is a consigner, Dinu is a consignee. And the price of each machine is 500, it seems. So 500 into 500 is equal to 2 lakhs 50. 5 5 is 25, no? So expenses incurred by Mahesh means consignor is 5,000. On the way, 5 sewing machines were completely damaged due to bad handling, and insurance company admitted a claim to the extent of 2,000. So Dinu and company took a delivery of remaining sewing machines. Remaining means what? 500 we are sending. In that 5 got damaged totally. Means 495. Took a delivery, and the remaining sewing machines incurred a non-recurring expenses 9,900 and recurring expenses 2,100. So that is the reason I'm giving this one as a homework. He gave very clearly non-recurring as 9,900, and that is the thing you want it, no? For calculation, while taking in our books, we will take full expenses, but for a calculation purpose, we'll take only non-recurring. So he gave very clearly non-recurring is 9,900. And he sold 450 sewing machines of 700 each. We sent 500. 5 got damaged on transit. So 495 he is getting. But in that one, he sold only 450. So unsold is 45. So he is entitled to commission of 5% on a sales. Prepare consignment account, Dinu account in the books of Mahesh and Co, assuming that Dinu and Co remitted amount due by him. Okay, understand? You'll do it, no?